So, so today we're gonna be doing interesting lesson. I'm gonna um, I'm gonna do the complete side, the left side, the complete left side with the oyster octanes, and then I'm on the other side, the right hand side. I'm going to do the complete side with the masters, and I want you to get an idea on the comparison between the two, and I also want you to understand that you can complete the entire cut with both systems. So here we go.
I'm about to take you to school.
As we go a little something like this. Hit it!
Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where
Old school to new school, the same old rules.
So we're gonna start with the octane 000 to get the guideline, and from there we're gonna get the 3, and what we're gonna do with the 3 is we're gonna remove the majority of the hair on the side, basically getting the height that that's gonna be on the side. So that's what I'm doing with the 3.5. And once I do that, I'm also creating space. From here, I'm gonna be doing the 2 to the 1.5 to the 1A to the 1 to the OA, and we'll be blending this whole side out with the octane. Okay, so we're gonna start blending at this point. We already prepped it, and we're gonna start with the number 2 blade. We're gonna create some space. Once we create some space, we're gonna comb it or brush it down, and the next blade we'll go to is the 1.5. When I get the 1.5, from that point on, I'm going to be working the line. All I'm going to be looking to do is to blend out that line. So we go from the 1.5 to the 1A, and we want to repeat it minimum 3 times before moving on to the next blade. Right now, we have the masters now. We're on the 5th notch. We're gonna go from the 5th notch to the 4th to the 3rd to the 2nd notch, all the way down to the 1st notch, doing the minimum 3 times before moving on. And what we do on this side, we're gonna repeat throughout the rest of the hair. So whatever you see me do on this side, we just do the repetitions of the same thing on the other side. So I'm using the Barber's clothes to clean up, to get the little wild hairs. I'll be going around the entire haircut, getting closer. I want you to take a look at, when I go back and forth, take a look at the comparison between the octane and the Masters blend. Okay, right now, I got the Masters in my hand, and I'm just doing some cleanup. You know, the same steps. You know, we went from the octane to 1.5, 1A, and then the Masters, the fifth, the fourth, the third, the second, and the first notch. So right now, I'm doing a little scissor action. As you can see, that this portion of the hair is a little longer. So I'm doing scissor and comb to blend it in. So I'm going over with the octanes. I'm just cleaning it up, making sure that it's blended in nice and smooth. Going over some areas of concern. Yeah, I'm doing just doing some cleaning up, making sure that skin fade is actually a skin fade. Now I'm going over to the other side, doing the same thing, just cleaning up, repeating the same process. So I'm adding some Cantu sheen to the hair, give us a little shine. So I'm preparing it right now for the part. This haircut is going to have a part in it, so I'm getting all the wild hairs and everything, and I'm prepping it for the final touches, which includes a part on the left-hand side. So yeah, there it is. We completed the part with the Barber's Pro, dusting them off, and there you have it. Is a drop fade. One side was done with the octane, the oyster octane. The other side of the fade was done with the Masters, and I just want you to see that you can complete the fade with both systems, and but there you go.